Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to discuss a question in Code Chef August Long Challenge, another card game problem. So the brief explanation of the question is, Chef is playing with the rig and there are some rules to be followed. The rules are, they will define the power of a number as sum of digits in a number. So if we consider the number as 28, the power is 2 plus 8, which is 10. Now, Chef will get a number and Rick will also get a number. So we will assume these numbers as final powers. And we need to generate a number whose power is equals to final power. So first we need to generate two such numbers whose powers are equal to the final powers. The number which we generate, let us assume as x and y. Now, if number of digits in x is less than number of digits in y, then we need to output as 0, as x is Chef's number and y is a Rick's number. If number of digits in Chef's number is less than number of digits in Rick's number, then Chef is the winner. So we need to output 0 and number of digits in Chef's number. Else, we need to output Rick's number. That is 1 and number of digits in Rick's number. So let us see for the sample test cases. So the first number is number of test cases and each test case has Chef's number followed by Rick's number. So let us see for the second sample test case 28 and 18. So if we generate a number with more number of greatest single digit number, that is 9, then we get the number having least number of digits. Now if 9 is not possible to generate, then we can take the next numbers. So for example, if the number is 28, then first we can take 9. Now the remaining is 28 minus 9. So next 9 plus 28 minus 9 is 19. So 9 plus, now we can take 9. So 19 minus 9. So that is, we can write as 9 plus the remaining number. Now 9 plus 19 minus 9 is 10. And then 9 plus 9 plus. So we can write this number in terms of 9 as 9 plus the remaining number 10 minus 9. Next 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 minus 9 is 1. Now we can't write 1 in terms of 9. So this is the number we obtain 9991. So the power of this number is 28 because 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 1 is equals to 28. So the number of digits is 4. Now let us take for 18. That is Rick's number. So we can write this as 9 plus 18 minus 9. So that is 9 plus 9. So the number of digits of the number we generated for 18 is 2. Now we need to check in which the number of digits are less. So in Chef's number the number of digits are 4 and in Rick's number the number of digits are 2. So which one is the least possible? It is 2. So now Rick is the winner and we need to output as 2 because the number of digits in Rick's generated number is 2. So the output is 1 and 2. Because Rick has won and 2 is the number of digits. So the logic here is let us consider an array of 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 like that. And so on up to 1. Now we will traverse through this array. So first we will check for the highest number in this array, which is less than 28. Now the highest number in this array which is less than 28 is 9. So now we will increment our count. That is number of digits count this is. So now number of digits is equals to 1 as first 9 is there. Now what is the remaining number? 28 minus 9, that is 19. And let us check for the highest number which is less than 19, that is 9. Again now number of digits is equals to 2. Now the remaining is 10. So for 10, the highest number in this array which is less than 10 is 9. So the number of digits are 3. Now the remaining is 1. So the highest number which is less than or equals to 1 is 1. So that is 1. So the number of digits are 4. So like this we will produce the number. And we will check for the number of digits in which number are less, and we will output that. So we can still optimize this as. So our array is 9, 8, 7 and so on 1. Now we have 28. Now we will check which number is highest one. So that is 9. And we will check how many times we can write 9. So we will make this 28 by 9, which is 3. It is integer division. So from this we can make 3 into 9, that is 27. The number of digits are 3. Now what is the remaining number? That is 28 minus 27, that equals to 1. So the highest number which is less than or equals to 1 is 1. So we can make 1 by 1 only, that is 1, and number of digits will be 1. So total number of digits are 4. So like this we will calculate for the chef's number and rig number, and we will output according to the given question. So let us see the code. So first I have scanned the value of test cases, that is T, and looping over the test cases. Now let us have Cn as chef's number, and we will scan that number, and rig's number as Cr, that is equals to s dot next. Now let us take the number of digits in chef's number as, that is the number we generated, as Cc, and rig's number as Rc. So first initially both are 0. So now let us create our array. So now we want to fill our array with 9, 8, 7 so on. So I am taking j equals to 9, and for int I is equals to 0, I less than or equals to 9, I plus plus, we can take a of I is equals to j minus minus. Now the first time in a of 0 we will get 9, and then we decrement the j, which becomes 8, and a of 1 which is equals to 8, and like that we will create the array of 9, 8, 7, like that numbers. Now first I am taking for chef's number. So while not equals to 0. Now we will traverse through this array, and we will check for the highest possible number which is less than or equals to chef's number. So for I is equals to 0, I less than or equals to 9, I plus plus. If Cn is greater than or equals to a of I, then let us consider an integer x. And we need to initialize with any number, we can initialize it. and now x will become a of I, and we can break out of the loop. Now after finding the highest number, now we need to do like this. So first let us find Cn by x. So if the number is 28, then we will get as 28 by 9, which is 3. 28 by 9, which is equals to 3. So now we can add this to number of digits. So Cc is equals to Cc plus D. Now let us find the remaining numbers. So Cn is equals to Cn minus D into what is the number x. So D means here 3 into, for this test case 28, D is equals to 3 into 9, so 27. So 28 minus 27 is 1. So again it will go 1 not equals to 0, and it will find x as 1, and D is equals to 1 by 1. So Cc is equals to 3 plus 1, 4, and Cn is equals to, now Cn is 1. So 1 minus 1, that equals to 0. Now we come out of the loop. So Cc is equals to 4 for 28. So same we will do for the Rick's number also. So let us just copy paste and change the variables. So we assumed this as CR x. This is RC. So this is for Rick's number. Now we will check if CC is less than CRC. If CC is less than RC, then we will print 0 as chef has 1 plus the number of digits, that is CC. Else we need to print 1 plus RC, and we have to print the next line. So I am using print line. So let us see for the sample test case. So we need to get as 111202. So let us submit this code. Hopefully we got the correct answer. So thank you guys for watching.